What's up everyone? We're here nice and early. It's before 4 AM, it's like 5 to 4 nearly. We're having to be quiet. It means one thing for us though. It means cases are packed. It means we're going on holiday. We're off to Krakow, or Krakow as it's pronounced, in Poland. We'll be off to the airport, so we'll see us all along the way. That you just saw then was Odin. They've actually got 3 dogs. They have their own Instagram page, so if you want to follow them on Instagram, link in description.
Living in the same routine.
Can't actually believe how quiet it is here in Terminal 1, particularly on a Saturday in the morning too, but I'll take it.
Like the seasons, I'm on repeat. It's a long way down. Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it.
What we just did then was a temporary exhibition that we went round, and also the staterooms too. I wasn't allowed to film there, so I couldn't show you. Basically it's just a gallery, and so if you're interested in art, interested in history and things like that, then it's well worth a visit. On a Sunday it is free, but I think it's for the first 2,000 visitors, so make sure you get in early. I think it opens at 10 o'clock, so imagine they'll go by in a couple of hours, so make sure you get in there, get in early. But yeah, nice visit at Wawel Castle, I think it's pronounced. It is very cold today, snow on the ground, hence got a hat on and snood as well. That was the Christmas markets. A bit expensive, but aren't all Christmas markets, I suppose. They're nice looking though. Nice food in there. The churros are nice. We had sausage before as well, along with the kebab. The sausage was nicer than the kebab, so that's my recommendation. That's been the video, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget, leave a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and help support my channel by subscribing, pressing the bell and putting your push notifications on. I'll see you all again in the next travel video. We're heading to the United States of America in April. We're heading to Las Vegas, so stay tuned for that. We might have some videos up before then too, so stay tuned for some build up to that holiday, maybe some post stuff from this holiday too. So stay tuned for that. We're just going to take you through the rest of the day and then we'll end the video there. So I'll see you all again next time. In the airport now, absolutely roasting, but we've got Christmas coming, we're heading home and I've got a Coke and a bottle.